Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal announce baby boy's name, drop first glimpse and express gratitude. Here's what Vihan means peek inside. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal welcomed their baby boy on November 7, 2025, but kept his name private for nearly 2 months. On January 6, 2026, they finally introduced him to the world as Vihan Kaushal through a joint Instagram post. In the picture, Vihan's tiny hand is seen resting in his parents' hands, making for an intimate and emotional first glimpse rather than a full face reveal. The simple yet powerful frame underlines the couple's preference for privacy while still sharing a bit of their joy with fans. Along with the picture, Katrina and Vicky wrote, "A ray of light Dil, Vihan Kaushal prayers are answered, life is beautiful, our world has changed in an instant, gratitude beyond words." The caption reflects deep thankfulness, with phrases like, "prayers are answered," and "gratitude beyond words," highlighting how cherished this moment is for them. The post quickly went viral, with fans and industry colleagues flooding the comments section with blessings and congratulations for the new parents and baby Vihan. The couple, who have largely guarded their personal life, chose a minimal yet emotionally loaded announcement that resonated widely. The name Vihan is of Sanskrit origin and is commonly used as a boy's name in India. It means dawn, morning, or sunrise, and is often interpreted as the beginning of a new era or a fresh start. Symbolically, Vihan represents light overcoming darkness, hope, positivity, and new beginnings, which beautifully aligns with the couple calling their son their ray of light. In Indian traditions, dawn is considered an especially sacred time associated with prayer and renewal, making the name rich with spiritual and cultural undertones. Fans were quick to point out that Vihan is also the name of Vicky Kaushal's character, Major Vihan Shergill, in his blockbuster film, Uri, The Surgical Strike. The role was a turning point in Vicky's career, and many see the name choice as a subtle nod to that milestone. According to fan discussions and reports, Katrina had reportedly first noticed Vicky in Uri, making the name feel even more personal and meaningful to the couple. This real-to-real connection has further endeared the name to their admirers. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal tied the knot on December 9, 2021, in an intimate wedding ceremony in Rajasthan. In September 2025, they announced the pregnancy with a tender picture of Vicky cradling Katrina's baby bump, calling it the best chapter of their lives. Since Vihan's birth, Vicky has spoken about the emotional shift that comes with fatherhood, admitting it is tough to leave home but expressing that he wants his son to be proud of him one day. With baby Vihan now formally introduced, the couple appears to be embracing parenthood with a mix of privacy, warmth, and overwhelming gratitude.